There's only one place in Northern California where you'll find a flying pig, a giant inchworm, and a big blue dinosaur all hanging out together. Well, if you're wondering what's going on behind me, you're not alone. I'm John Bartell here, making a little pit stop at the Packway Sculptures in Cassell. Sometimes curious travelers question the detours they've made.
Just happened to drive by, I actually don't know much about it.
And Mark and Michelle have a lot of questions. They randomly veered off Highway 299 in the town of Cassell and spotted this field full of strange sculptures.
I guess that'd be worth looking into how it happened, but obviously.
Many who pass by the Packway Material Company have questions about the odd art. And the man to answer those questions is Richard Hathaway, artist and owner of Packway Materials.
There is no sketch really, we just start putting them together.
Packway sells and delivers rock and aggregate, so there's a lot of old equipment and parts laying around. Instead of trashing them, Rich asked his brother William to help put them to use.
I said, I want to build a dinosaur, do you want to help me? And he said, sure, I'll come down and help you.
This is that dinosaur that Rich and his brother built back in 1998. It became the company mascot, but it looked a little lonely and there was still a lot of scrap metal left. So the next year, him and his brother built a friend. Every year, the brothers get together and argue over what they build next, and every year, they outdo themselves. It seems like they get bigger and bigger.
Yeah, they do.
Eventually, Rich ran out of scrap metal at his business, so he started asking other businesses for their scrap metal.
And then the back end is a mixer drum off a ready-mix truck, and the center is off from a logger's water tank truck.
There's no admission to look at the sculptures, and Rich, who is now in his 80s, says there never will be. He's even got his grandkids involved in the building process, so the junk art tradition will continue. Is there a point you'll ever stop doing it, or?
When I die.
From the Packway Sculptures in Cassell, I'm John Bartell. Hope to see you on the Backroads.